I'm Steve Gregor from NC Equipment. We are a specialist farm machinery sales and service dealership. I head up our turf force division, so I specialise in the sales of high-end commercial ride-on lawnmowers. Like most salespeople, I wasn't selling enough. I've been in sales roles most of my life and with reasonable success, so I thought I was naturally pretty good at it. But it wasn't until the 2-day workshop with Gary with our first SalesStar meeting where we started to uncover many holes. Most of it was process related, just really lacking process. So for me personally, it was more of a case of I sort of knew what to say but didn't know how to say it or when to say it. So I might have the right words but have the wrong tonality or the wrong order in which to say things. So through our coaching with Gary, I did actually begin to realise that I do possess most of the traits that make a good high-performing salesperson, but I just had no process in place to implement them. And so through our team coaching with Gary, we really just nailed down a very clear process that was really just a very logical way of asking questions. One of the big things was sales scripts. I really hate the idea of sales scripts because to me it was my winning personality that was the reason for my success. So I didn't like the idea of sales scripts, but Gary soon taught me that it's just like an actor preparing for a good role in a movie. You can get so good at your sales scripts that it's no longer a script, it's just part of the way that you talk and have conversation with people. My personal closing ratio nearly doubled over the last 6 months, and very recently I hit a personal sales milestone that without SalesStar I think it would have taken me about twice as long to achieve. But actually for me it's the non-measurable stuff. So it's my sales confidence, it's my sales posturing, it's my ability to bounce back from objections. I've gone from dreading cold calls to really loving the game of cold calls. And so I'm now attacking sales with a whole new level of confidence, and what that's really allowed me to do is sort of fall back in love with sales again. And what I really love most about SalesStar is that it's not dirty tactics. You're not tricking people into sales. It's a very clear line of questionnaire to allow you to understand people's true needs. Be prepared for a bit of an ego death. Be prepared to find out that you don't know what you don't know. And also understand that it's not a magic bullet. It certainly doesn't replace passion. If you don't enjoy what you're selling, then you're probably still wasting your time even with SalesStar. However, if you're willing to put in the work and willing to be humble about it and willing to take some lessons on the chin, just logically and mathematically, the results absolutely will come, and they certainly have for us.